Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove apps from the app library without deleting them on your iPhone. This is probably going to help a lot of folks right here who want to keep apps hidden but not gone forever. So let's break down the steps. First thing you got to do is unlock your iPhone and swipe left until you reach the app library. Over here, find the app that you want to remove but not delete. Tap and hold the app icon. Okay, now don't go after delete app. Instead, you're going to need Face ID. Choose hide. Then scan your Face ID or enter your passcode when it asks. On the next screen, tap on the hide app button down at the bottom. Oh great, that's it already. The app won't appear on your home screen or in the app library anymore. Anyways, the app is not deleted, it just moves into the hidden folder. To access that folder, swipe all the way left again to the app library. Scroll to the very end. Tap on Hidden. You gotta scan Face ID or enter your lock screen passcode to open it. Over here, you can see all the apps you've hidden. So yeah, that's the adequate and bright way to remove apps from the app library without deleting. It keeps your phone clean ahead, but still lets you bring in the apps when you need them. I would like you to drop a like if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips ahead, and comment if you want to ask for more help.